Imagine getting 4 million plus subscribers just by posting short story videos. One channel gained 2.8 million subscribers from just 33 videos, with 173 million views on a single short. A different channel has 1 million subs with 148 million views on just one short. And the craziest? A 3.5-month-old channel is now getting 5 to 70 million views every day. I'll reveal all the channel names later and show you the video I created. But for now, let's jump straight into how we can make similar videos without using any paid tools. Image generation. First, choose a video you want to take inspiration from. Then, take a screenshot of the characters. You can use Lightshot or any similar software. Now, go to ChatGPT and upload the image you're inspired by. Then enter this first prompt. All prompts are in the description below. Name the subject as you want. In my example, I've entered humanoid cat as the subject. You can change it to your desired subject like humanoid dog, humanoid bear, or anything based on your image. ChatGPT will provide you with an improved image prompt, which is even better than the original. Then, copy the second prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. But remember to change the subject again. For me, it's humanoid cat. For you, it should be your own character. I spent 2 to 3 hours making this prompt compact and perfect, so make sure to use the exact prompt to save your time. Once it processes, you'll get a complete breakdown of characters, scenes, and video prompts all in one place. Now follow the next steps carefully. Even a single mistake can mess up the character consistency. I made that mistake for 2 days straight while trying to perfect it. At the top, you'll see Main Character Description. 2 characters are described fully. You need to include this description with every image to maintain consistency. Let's see it in action. There are many image generators like Leonardo AI or Ideogram, but Google's ImageFX is amazing for this kind of work. Most of you probably haven't used ImageFX before, but trust me, it's incredible. And the most surprising part? It's completely free for now, because it's still in beta. However, it's not available in all countries, so if you're outside the USA, you may get an error message like this one. Just close the tab, turn on a VPN, and connect to the USA. Then open the site again, and you should have access. Log in using your Google account. You'll see a pop-up asking to receive emails. Leave it unticked and click Next. In the Privacy Policy section, scroll down and click Continue once the button becomes active. Now everything's ready to generate images. Since there aren't many styles available directly, you need to type the style manually. So I'll type Pixar Art 3D Style Image of, and hit Enter to see if the style is correct. And yes, it's perfect. Now in the image prompt box, type Pixar Art 3D Style Image of, then copy and paste the main character descriptions. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the full scene, characters, and video prompt, and paste it into the image generator prompt box. Then hit Create. You might wonder why we include the entire video prompt in the image prompt box. The reason is, the more detailed your description, the better the result. I've tested this multiple times. Also, don't press Enter for a new line. The tool doesn't support it, and it'll start generating immediately. Look at the result. How perfect it is! The quality is just amazing. Even better than the original image. If you like the image and want to use the same character consistently, click the seed lock button here. But locking the seed alone won't ensure character consistency. That's why using the main character description every time is mandatory. If you're making images for long-form videos, set the aspect ratio to 16:9. For short-form videos, use 9:16. Let's summarize it. Add Pixar Art 3D Style Image of. Add Main Character Descriptions. Add Scene 1, Characters, and Video Prompt. Let's make another image. Since the art style and main character description stay the same, delete the first scene and paste the next scene prompt. Check the seed and aspect ratio again and hit Create. Repeat this process by changing only the scene portion to create all your images. Hover on the image, click the 3 dots, and download the image. Video generation. Once your image downloads are complete, we'll turn them into a video. For that, we'll use Leonardo AI. But first, turn off your VPN. Now, go to Leonardo AI. In the top right corner, click Sign In and use your Google account. On the left panel, click Video. You'll see a simple interface. Use the Upload option to upload your image. In the prompt box, describe how the image should move. Go back to ChatGPT and copy-paste the video prompt from there. From the model list, Choose your preferred model. I'll use Halo02 for the best result. Click the Generate button. For me, it says insufficient credits. I've used all my credits already. If you face the same issue of insufficient credits, instead of using Halo AI, try dgen.ai. It gives 120 credits daily and delivers amazing results. That's not all yet. After generating all the video clips, we'll do some editing that will make the video the best of all. Editing. For this humanoid cat video, we'll use the Meow Meow song as background music. Go to YouTube and search for Meow Meow full song, then download it. Import all video clips and the song into your video editor. Place them on the timeline. Free clips often have watermarks. Just zoom in slightly to crop them out. To make the story feel more alive, add sound effects at the right moments. Download different sound effects and place them properly. Use smooth transitions that match the story's vibe. Finally, export your video. Now let's see what I created. If you face any issues, comment below. I'll definitely reply.